How to add cart on Goat, which is GOAT. So if you want to add cart on your Goat account, then first you need to open up your Goat. So you need to open up your browser or anything that you are comfortable with. And once you open your browser, you can go for the search and then search for GOAT. Once you've searched, here you will have www.goat.com. Click on the first search and it will take you to the website. So make sure to log into your account. Go for account, which is on the upper right. Go for login and log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you can simply choose any product or any item that you would like to buy. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. And once you choose the item, now you can simply choose the price and the size. Once you choose, click on select, and once you've selected, here you will have your shipping address. So make sure to enter your shipping address. And once you enter your shipping address, you need to simply go for payment section, which is here on the right side, on the middle, or you can click on continue to payment. And once you click on continue to payment, it will take you to this kind of page where you need to recheck your address. And once you've done that, click on OK and then click on continue to payment, and from here you will have the payment procedure. So you can click on card, or if you want to go with online, you can go for PayPal or Alipay. And you can click on card if you want to add your card, and here you need to enter the name of your card and then your card number on the next one, and your month and year and your CVV. So once you've entered your card information, you can click on this, which is billing address, same as shipping, and then you need to click on continue to order review, and from there you can order your item. So from here you can add your card on your Goat account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.